fuck it and do a mukbang.
Already?
A mukbang. What?
You gotta say curse words in the first sentence?
Alright, do it over.
No. It's not.
Yo, in town for the night. Ooh. So I had to fuck her twice. Yeah. She ride like a bike. I want my ice. I had to use no light. Ignore them calls, leave them on red. I'm finna enjoy this head. I like a BBW. Yo, bitch ain't shit like boss niggas. Yeah. Fuck with a cost nigga. Dunking it like Chris Webber. Yo, bitch bad, but this bitch better. Pussy tight like a thick sweater. Pussy wet like bad weather. Baby daddy know better. Desert eagle. I just add feathers.
So today, what we will be doing is making fish, Brussels sprouts, and some rice. So I'm going to let you guys see how seasoned my fish. I have these little containers, so I kind of put them in there. Let them sit for about 15 minutes into seasoning. I put 4 slices of lemon, very thin. I put 4 slices of lemon on there. I do have 2 of them, of course, for me and Cook. We have some fresh Brussels sprouts. I know a lot of people don't know how to make these from scratch, so we'll go ahead and show you guys today. And we have some instant rice. I'm out of my Uncle Ben's, so I'm going to use the Stutter Brothers brand. This is what I have in there. It's a last-minute meal, so work with me. So we have our little setup here. We have a pan for our fish, we have a pan for our Brussels sprouts, and we have a pot for our rice, and then we have a mixing bowl so that we can go ahead and clean and cut up our Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to take you guys over here so that you guys can see me and how I'm going to cut these Brussels sprouts. So we're going to pour our Brussels sprouts into this bowl. We're going to go ahead and take them over to the sink and get them rinsed out. So rinse off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the ends of the Brussels sprouts. So this will be considered the end. We're going to go ahead and just chop that off. Go ahead and get a knife. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slice the ends off, just like that. We're going to push it to the side and go back into the pot. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and cut them in half as well, because I'm going to let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after cutting off the ends of them, we're just chopped up. So this is what the Brussels sprouts look like. How many Brussels sprouts? I have no idea. But what I can tell you is I only bought 1 bag of them. They do come in a bag for about $2-3. It's only 2 of us, so I feel like this should be enough for us 2. And we're just going to go ahead and throw in our shaking dough. So we got our Brussels sprouts. Bam. I'm going to go ahead and take some pepper. Go ahead and put some pepper all over your Brussels sprouts. I like to season my Brussels sprouts before, so I like to season theirs during them cooking. I like to season them before because I like it to be all mixed up and seasoned before I put it in the pan. So make sure your hands are clean. Season your Brussels sprouts. Go ahead and maneuver that around. And what we're going to do is take some olive oil. This is the brand that I use. We're just going to take a little bit of olive oil. We're just going to drizzle just a little bit, half a tablespoon, over your Brussels sprouts. Go ahead and move them around together. Make sure that they're all mixed up and yummy. And then we're going to go ahead and wash our hands. And then we're going to put some olive oil in our pans and get clean. We're going to go ahead and olive oil our pans. First, let's go ahead and start our heat. Get our heat pumping. Why are my eyes out? If you guys hear my dogs, please don't mind them. They are barking at the neighbor's dog right now, and they're just having a little growling. So we're just going to take a teaspoon of olive oil. Get that all over your pan.
Hi guys. So
Hello,
we
hello.
decided to just fuck it and do a mukbang.
Already?
A mukbang. What?
You gotta say curse words in the first sentence?
Alright, do it over.
No.
Yeah.
It's already.
I
Baby
mean, I
made
can't just.
a beautiful feast that you guys just watched. Can't wait to taste her Brussels sprouts in this new seasoning or rub or.
Yeah, I actually did use the seasoning. If you guys want to know what I use for the fish, just comment down below. And then I'll just put a mini video up of the stuff that I use to cook seafood because I pretty much use the same seasoning.
No, I changed my mind.
They're perfect.
I think it was the first bite because we normally use frozen ones. It's the first time she's making Brussels sprout.
Fresh
She did a
ones.
great job.
Usually I use the packaged ones, but
I taught her how to make fish, and I think she's stepped it up a notch and makes it a little bit better than me now.
I mean, because at first we made it in the oven. Like she wraps hers up in aluminum foil and that shit's so but
what you think after we went to the park that day? Yeah. We went to the park on 4th of July. And we had a barbecue and barbecued some salmon. And it came out phenomenal.
So
Like, probably the best batch of fish.
It was
I've ever
honestly
had.
the best fish. And the trouble we went through to cook that fish.
Yeah. We didn't have any utensils.
The wind was blowing like crazy.
It was rough. Made it work.
The aluminum foil was literally melting.
Burning. Caught on fire.
Burning.
Dollar Tree.
It was the last one to stop. It was like
You taste the fish yet?
fire.
Excuse me.
So bad.
But yeah, Brussels sprouts are my new favorite vegetable.
I was telling them that Didi bought some, and we was like,
Not eating them.
we ain't eating
And
that.
then what, like 3 weeks later, after she left, I was
I'm
like,
like, what is these?
all
Let's
we
try
got-
them.
we hadn't gone grocery shopping, so all we had was Brussels sprouts and rice and I think some shrimp or something.
Yep.
And I was like, this is the only vegetable we got. So we tried it, and we're like,
So bomb.
this is cat. Like,
And it was the microwave
baby
one.
cat.
It was the microwave one, so we put it in the
steamer
microwave.
from Walmart.
Fire. So I was
So
like,
good.
shout out to Didi.
I think we've been buying them a couple times a month.
Because my other favorite green is asparagus, hands down, bomb. But whenever I make fish, I love to eat Brussels sprouts or asparagus. Bomb.
We just need a whole bunch of Brussels sprouts because they're so good. And these fresh is way better
Definitely.
because they're not mushy.
And that's my whole thing. Like I hate texture. Like texture is just, I'm really big with texture. I like a little crunch. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that's kind of wet that I would eat that's green is greens, cabbage. Other than that, give me a little crunch. Hell, and I still don't even like them soggy now because usually how you're used to eating them, like when your mom or auntie or grandma make greens, they're a little soggy in a way, you know what I'm saying? But when I make it,
Yours are crunchy.
I don't leave them.
Not crunchy, but
Yeah,
they got some firmness.
they
to
have
them.
a firmness to it. So I don't leave mine in for like a heck of a long time. But I think I like them better the way that I make them versus the way that I'm used to tasting them.
Right.
Because I used to love greens, but I used to low-key hate the way they was like, almost like cooked spinach. I'm not really with that shit.
Well, a lot of people cook them for
A long,
a
like,
long time.
hours. I don't like mine like that. I just like them a little cooked. I like them cooked, and that's just about it.
Yours be cooking for what, like hour and a half? 2 at the most, depending on the heat. If
And
you
I
like-
don't make a lot, so
Right.
it don't take that long.
If you like these little cooking segments, please like and comment below If you haven't already, please subscribe. It takes 2 seconds.
And it's free.
2 seconds. If you're watching the video, just go boop. We would really appreciate it. And yeah, let us know.
And if you want to know when we post, just hit the notification bell.
Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Get that notification when we do post. If not, just subscribe, please. And thank you.
You said you wanted to change our YouTube name. What? To what though?
I don't know.
If you guys think we should update our name, please let us know.
Like, do y'all like Tink and Cook, or do y'all like JB Mixed Moods? I like Mixed Moods because it defines who we are.
Then why are you trying to change it?
Just because it has a good purpose doesn't mean that I don't want to change it.
Excuse me.
It has a good purpose. That's why we used it.
You wish you got me drinking water right up. Excuse me.
Water tastes better out of a glass anyway.
Says the person who doesn't drink water out of a glass.
Yeah, but people like water in glass better. It's like drinking juice in a plastic cup. It tastes better in a glass.
Again, says the person. How you know? Says the person who won't drink water if it's not in a bottle.
I'm not saying that I tried it like that. What I'm saying is, I know juice tastes better in a glass versus a plastic cup. So water has to, because water is fire shit. Why you do that? You don't like water? What's your buying?
That was an ingredient. But I was thinking about eating, so.
Yeah, I only prefer water out of a water bottle. I'm not with.
Is this video like an update? How long has it been since they seen me?
We went out when we went to Temecula.
Oh, but we haven't talked to them?
We haven't seen them.
We've got a new business venture brewing up. But we can't tell you yet. But we'll throw some little hints and some little tidbits about it over the course of the videos. And what do you say? Probably like January. We'll probably like announce it.
Yeah, because we just
it's fresh, but
we've done what we're doing is something that we love to do. But it was more of a hobby versus it being a business or a job.
Right.
But we feel like when you create something, do something that you love to do. Even if it is a hobby. You know what I mean? If it can be a business, why not do it? But love to do it. Don't just do it because somebody else is doing it or you think it's cool. Do it because you love to do it so it's not tiring or draining when you do it. You know what I'm saying? So it's something sweet.
I'll say January 2020 is when we'll announce it. But
if you follow us on social media,
you might have
like actually follow us, then you already know what we're up to.
Maybe. But if you watch the next few videos over the next 3.5 months, I'm sure you'll be able to guess. But just know, it's gonna be big,
epic.
So stay tuned for that.
And then it's already like booming, you know. So we're excited.
What else has been going on?
We got about 2 clients now.
Yep. You're telling them too much. It's enough.
Hey, these lemons.
Enough talk about that.
Fire.
What's new?
Nani said go today.
Yes, we were watching football and she said go.
Them Cowboys spanking that ass, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but she's a Rams fan.
Nani is.
We'll show you a little picture of her outfit next week. I get a year older next week. Going to Universal Studios though, because we're going to Harry Potter World.
I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking excited about that.
Probably the biggest Harry Potter nerds ever.
Bruh.
And that's not a joke. Like
the fact that I lived in California as long as I did and never actually been there.
The fact that I married someone who's just as big of a nerd, not like, oh yeah, I like Harry Potter, movies are great. No. It is beyond. We know our houses. We know our wants. We have gear. We got a closet that's getting built up for when we move to the next house. I'm not going to tell you what we're doing, but let's just say it's Harry Potter related.
And if you guys want to see the house or houses that we do have in mind, comment down below and then we'll take you guys with us the next time we go view. But
basketball starts in 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So I'll be busy every day of my dang life.
Basically.
Because it's the opposite of last year. Instead of going to work and then going a little bit later, it's going to practice and going straight to work. I'm probably going to be so exhausted. That's about it for me. Anything new with you?
Well, y'all know me, still making wigs. Still changing moods. I am thinking about actually putting the curling iron set and the flat iron and stuff. Get that together to put that back. When I first introduced it to you guys, it was kind of iffy if I still wanted to do it, so I just didn't. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do that because a lot of people have been asking me, like, what curling irons do I use? What wine do I use? And stuff like that. And the stuff that I use is pretty much what will be on the website. Being a mom is fucking awesome.
You were so close.
I'm going to flip it out.
You were so close.
Being a mom is great. I'm loving mommy life. Mommy life is cracking.
Just sleep over there on the couch.
I thought it would be a little stressful, a little hard, but it's kind of a piece of cake. She had a real attitude problem already.
Oh my God.
So I have to deal with that.
She already run the house.
Her attitude is out of this roof. But
it is bad.
Other than that, she's straight.
She's an amazing baby.
I have a confession. I was going to sell my dogs.
Oh.
And till somebody actually wrote me and said if they can come get one, and I just like panicked.
She had tears in her eyes, and I'm like, just say no.
But it's like, you know, once you put an ad up, you can't.
You can say no.
I know, but it's like so heartbreaking because they probably love them just as much as I do.
That was 2-3 weeks ago when you were like, nobody wants these dogs, So
because they made me so mad when they
decided, yeah, we're gonna keep them.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 weeks later, you're not thinking somebody's still looking for them.
Yeah, true.
So I said, told them no, yeah. We keep them. They really are good dogs. But some days
they're bored.
They really grind my gears because they know not to do stuff. And they do it anyway. You
like our neighbor.
You go in there and say, stop.
Right.
Get from over there. They walk away.
So
But then we leave, they right back over there. So I'm like, okay, so y'all don't want to live here then. Like,
right.
Bye. So we try to sell them. But we love them. They ain't going nowhere.
I mean, I helped Kiara give birth to them.
Kiara can go.
Those are...
That's my baby, but she can go.
I'm not getting rid of my baby.
She tried to run away one more time. No, none of us are going to get her.
I did say that. I did say
she is.
If she runs off again, because Kiara is a runner. And it's not because she don't want to live here, I don't think. I think it's because she just likes to be free. But it's mostly because she's husky.
Huskies try to escape. But she's too smart. So when she starts trying to run away, she'll run. And then she'll come back to you. And then she's a little bit older. Then she'll run. And you can pull the treat out. And she'll come to you. Then she got even older. Get in the car now because she's sprinting. You get up, open the door. You want to go for a ride? You want to go for a ride? Get in the car. Got her back. Now, she knows all the tricks to the book.
All of them.
Nothing works. Occasionally, and I mean occasionally, if there's kids or there's a person out because she's so friendly, she'll go up to them and I'll be like, hey, grab her. She's not going to do nothing. Just grab her.
But and low-key, people be so scared, low-key.
And I mean, occasionally, because now she'll go up to them, say hi, and hurry up and run away because she knows they're going to grab her. She, instead of getting in the car, as soon as she sees the car,
she just sprints.
She sprints even more, and then she goes back and forth to the sides instead of just standing on one street. Mm-hmm. I literally have to race in front of her to cut her off just to make her go in a circle to get back. My younger brother has legitimately had to play left corner and tackle her in somebody's grass, stain up his clothes. I kid you not. Yesterday, I was taking her for a walk. The leash, it's a metal leash, decided to break. So I dropped to my knees, banged my damn knee on the concrete just to hold her. My other dog, little princess biatch, she runs away, she comes back. I'm not worried about her. She don't have a leash. Going in the street, doing all this, getting kicked by her. I'm like, holding Kiara by the neck. Princess, get him out the street. Get him out the street.
Remind you, there's neighbors outside. Like,
oh my God, my knee. And then Kiara's still like, you better hang on tight. Something before I get her. So I had to take the leash, wrap it around her neck, squeeze it, get her back. So I promise you, if she runs away again, you're more than welcome to. But me,
it was my idea.
I'm not chasing her anymore. She knows where she lives. So if she wants to come home, she will. But if she don't,
the puppies, on the other hand,
I love you.
If they run out,
they don't need a leash.
They'll come back.
They don't need a leash.
The puppies, her puppies, I'm not worried about.
Unless they get out with her,
right?
Because then they just chasing her, trying to
because they want to have fun with her, right? But I already said, like, if she runs again, Kiara is what, 3 now?
She'll be
Kiara's going on 4
February.
So if she runs off again, guys, I'm gonna just let her be free because it's like
I might cry.
I want the best for her. You feel? I'm gonna cry. Y'all already
know.
If y'all know me, y'all already know how I feel about my babies.
But I can't do it no more.
I'm not gonna keep chasing her.
I cannot.
And it's because I just don't have the time. So like, what if she runs off and I'm here with just naked?
Which has almost happened before.
I'm not chasing you, and it's just me, you, and my baby. I'm not taking my baby on a hunt to go chase you.
It's almost, it's to the point, but it's really, for me, it's really just almost to the point where you can't catch her by yourself.
No.
And even sometimes when you have 2 people, like
me, I can, but that's because
you ain't catching her today. And today's Kiara, she's not coming to you at all.
You don't think so?
No, absolutely not. She gonna go.
She listens to me more.
She gonna go like this.
She loves to. I hate when she look at me like that. I be wanting to
closer
snatch
you
her
step to her, like, yes, she look. Babe, you ain't catching her today.
I'm not gonna catch her today because I'm not chasing her.
Even with my 16-year-old brother, who is limber and agile, I kid you not, he only caught her by the hair when he dove. Nobody's doing that. For hours. We've done it. We've literally missed an entire shift of work because she got out at 8 a.m. and it took us 45 minutes to an hour to pin her in somebody's front yard and go grab her. Like, it's a game to her, and she's learned the tricks of the trade, and it just isn't any. There's no getting her back. It's not.
And even if
she does this thing where she gives you hope.
Yeah, she
where you like, okay, I'm about to get her, and then she's like, fuck you, I'm out of here, and I'm just not doing it no more.
Like, I'm gonna let her go, but it's like they're gonna catch her because where we stay at, they're really big.
Out every day.
They're really big on catching animals, so
and she's got her.
She's gonna get caught, but she's gonna go to the pound, and she's gonna be another $400. It already took us a lot of money to get them out when they went the first time.
Right, but that's because they weren't registered.
So what's it gonna be if she?
I mean, I'm sure it'll be a fee, but it's not gonna be what it was because
it'll be about $300. Bet.
Well, I honestly really don't know.
Her food is $100.
I honestly really just don't know because when we went, they were like, "Well, this is what you have to get out of her, but because they're not registered, you gotta pay $150 if they're not neutered and da 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 da." So it was like $600, but either
Which
way.
I'm mad about, but not winning because I have 2 boys and 2 girls. Well, 4 girls because Princess and Kiara. But the puppy wise, the boys had to get neutered. I didn't really want I didn't want to spay or neuter them.
I wasn't spending $1,000 on it though.
Yeah.
It was either $150 or $50. I'll take the 50 for $200.
Yeah.
But
So that's what we did.
I'm glad you guys
I
enjoyed.
murdered that shit.
Hopefully, I'm not gonna say you did enjoy it because who am I to say? But if you did, again,
Give us that thumbs up, man. Quit playing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be over here capping.
if you want to buy some hair or you want to buy some clothes, hit the links.
The link will be in the description, damn it. Yeah.
Alright, y'all.